Okay, so hi guys, today we are going to cover how I got 200 points long on the Nasdaq today, Tuesday 21 July. Basically, before starting, let's look at the executions, which is over here, and the outlook given for free. I was bullish, targeting this and this, but I switched my bias at 9:30. I said I won't be looking for longs right now since we have so much liquidity below us. Right, now keep that in mind and let's start. So starting from daily, we can see that last week we rated out this, almost rated it out. Now since we had a reversal on Friday, at Monday we are looking for expansion higher, which we didn't get. So if we didn't get it on Monday, expect it on Tuesday. Now if you look, we're using Monday as a range candle. We have the range high, range low. We swept out the Monday low on the open of the Tuesday, right there. From low of the day, expanded higher in Asia and expand higher in London with a small manipulation lower. Now as I said, my drawn liquidity going into the day is gonna be this, so I can target anything in between this and this. Is like anything can be my take profit. Like we have all of this liquidity, this is my overall draw, so I can target anything from here to here. Okay, since we understand that, notice how in London we expand higher and then we got into a range, right? Now this range is a really good range, I'm gonna tell you why. Right, so we got into this range, we kept ranging there, and at 9:15 market expanded higher and took out the Friday high. Now this is, I was here bullish, right? But look at this, if we have a range and we expand higher before a key time, what does the key time will do? It will of course reverse lower to take out the liquidity of the range, right? It's not gonna open low and then keep going higher, leaving out the liquidity we have below us. So with that mindset, I was looking for 9:30 to short, take out the range low, and later to reverse back up towards the draw. Now either I can catch this short or the long, and I ended up catching this long because on the short market was not clean. So if you just mark out the range low, okay, sorry, we have a range low and the range high. Now 9:30 we reversed lower. After taking out the range high, we dumped lower, we took out the range low, and then we rejected her. So when I saw this, I was like, of course 9:30 high is not gonna hold, it's gonna get taken, because of course we had SMT with the London lows, which was indeed respecting, right? So after this reversal, I saw we rebalance this M5 order block and we reject. So after a rejection, I longed in this candle, so it was at the 50% of this wick, like about 6 hour, right there, and I was aiming for straight 200 points, just 200 points, nothing liquidity, nothing, just 200 points. And just like that, we got our TP smacked. Now of course there are better entries, which is gonna be right there, but when I was looking to take the long entry over here, I wasn't really like sure if market's really gonna pump higher, because we had all of this range, right? So from this low to this high, all this range is unmitigated. We have the EQ over here, and ES indeed came lower and rebalanced the range to the EQ, but still whenever we have these scenarios, sometimes Nasdaq also comes lower to rebalance the EQ. So with that in mind, I didn't like really try to get that bottom tick entry. I just waited for confirmation and took it off that. Same thing, this is also gonna give me 200 points. If I were to long here, I would have closed here for 200 points. So anything that gets me 200 points is valid for me. And yeah, just like that, I caught this long. It was just daily perf 3 liquidity, nothing complicated. Just understand the concept of ranges. When price is ranging and there is a specific key time, price reacts differently. So if it's a range and we take out the range high, we can keep pumping higher, leaving the range lows and the range high is already taken. You know what I mean, right? But at specific key times, when we take out the range high, we usually reverse to grab all the liquidity before pushing back up. So understand this. This is not a key time, but this is a key time. So like here, range, go up, key time, come down, grab liquidity, go up. I can show you one more example if I have. Okay, right here. Range, go up, leaving out all of this liquidity, keep pumping up. Why? Because there's not a specific key time, right? So it's basically a, yeah, that's it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join the Discord. The link is going to be in the description. See you guys, take care, peace.